We are pleased to show you the 2019 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.